You got to squish it. I reckon the battery might be getting flat. 3. That's you.
John got me a keyring, a laughing keyring for Christmas, so we thought we'd play that. I think the best part is this. Anyway, we wanted to just do our Christmas video because it's Christmas Day, and we always do it on Christmas Day. And generally what happens is that I run around and put the chook on and try to get everything done, and then we quickly run in and do a video. So that's what we've done.
Yeah, it's all going, it's all cooking away, and it's all looking pretty good.
Just getting ready, so we'll get some pictures for you after the video.
Yeah.
When I do the video up, I'll put some pictures there of the animals and how we dress them up and lunch and how and all of that stuff.
Indeed.
So that will be great. So today is just to thank everybody for being on the channel, for coming to the channel and making my channel what it is, and to wish you all a very Merry Christmas wherever you are in the world. And John always comes on. A lot of you haven't met John before. Because
thanks very much for supporting Peta. She needs all the support in the world.
I do need all the support in the world. I need heaps of it. So, but John is always very supportive with what he does, and he's the man behind a lot of the camera work that goes on, you know, especially in the gym videos, the exercise along me videos. He was behind all of those ones, and but anyway, John is a postie, and this is what he gets dressed up like when you go to work on Christmas Day.
I do at times,
before Christmas Day, of course.
Unless it's 40 degrees, as I've had.
But you've done it before at 40 degrees.
I have, and I nearly passed out.
But it's a really good thing, you know, to see the postie driving around in a Christmas suit.
Yeah, it puts smiles on people's faces.
It does.
Really what it's all about, you know.
It does,
so.
yeah. So that's what you do, isn't it, on Christmas?
Oh, well,
Eve?
yeah. Normally, yeah. It's always like a traditional sort of thing. So not many are game to do it because they probably stress out too much, but it's good. It's funny and people laugh, and the kids love it. And
yeah, the kids love it, don't they? And they come to the... Yeah, it's a good thing. And John's been a postie for 25 years now, coming up to 26 years.
Pretty close to that.
Yeah, so he's been doing that job for a long time, and very interesting job.
It is at times, I must admit. It's out there.
It's out there, but we won't go into what is out there about it. So it's Christmas time. So John wanted to say a few things too, but also the other thing about John is that John actually does use the mask, and he wanted to actually... Go ahead, go on. Do what you have to do and say what you have to say. He wanted to say it, so...
Well, this is my mask, and I use it quite often.
He does. You use it every night. Go on. There you go. Look at him.
Get it fired up.
Now, isn't that a great Father Christmas mask? What a guy.
I know.
Look at you.
I love this thing.
He does. And John will use it almost every night, well, 5 nights a week, don't you?
Yeah, I'll cycle between the different colours.
Yeah.
And
depending on what goes on in his skin.
That's right. And the orange is really calming. I find it's fantastic.
Yeah.
And then I'll step through the week and chop and change into whatever I need, whatever the face needs. But I find it really easy to use. It's fantastic.
And John has you've got eczema and stuff on your skin.
I do get quite a bit of that. So it's probably because I'm out in the elements all the time and all sorts of different variations of weather conditions. So, but it works. I love the thing.
Yeah, I know you do love it. We both love it, don't we?
Oh.
Sometimes we lay in bed and we're both there with our mask on, aren't we? Whole room's lit up. The dog's looking, going, "What's going on?"
It does get pretty bright, that's for sure.
Like if someone looked in our window, all there'd be is all this light in the window.
And it's all
2 people with masks on. Like, what are they doing?
Yeah.
But so that's good that you use it.
It works well. I think it's fantastic.
Yeah, I do too. I think it's one of the best things I've ever got.
Yeah.
I think it's really good. So I pushed into the market with that this year. So I'm hoping that those of you who might not have one, just maybe think about having one. But that's not what this is about today.
I do use Peta's skincare with it.
You do
as well.
Yeah.
Obviously, because my skin gets knocked about quite a bit out in the weather and harsh and all the different conditions and dirt and sunlight and whatever you could think of.
So he does use it. You do.
I do. I find it really nice. It calms the skin down and everything, and that it works well.
It's really been very good for his skin actually. But if you have a look closer, just come a bit closer, John.
Yeah.
So if you have a real close look at his skin, you can see how smooth it is. And even though he's got a few, there's a mark here from being outside, but he would just put the mask on and but you've got your Father Christmas beard on.
Yeah, I know, but and that's because I've got a very sensitive skin.
No, but you're getting whiter, getting more like Father Christmas.
Well, someone has to. Someone has to keep the dream alive.
Keep the dream alive, that's true. So look, as I say, we just want to wish you all a very happy Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. And for a lot of you, it's Christmas Eve.
Indeed, around the world.
And no one's had Christmas Day yet apart from us. Maybe... there's maybe one other. There's maybe one other country that's just ahead of us. I can't remember which one that is. But you just have a great day tomorrow, if it's tomorrow for you, and really enjoy it. Be peaceful, be with your family, and really have a lovely time. And that's what we're doing. It's me and John.
And if you haven't got family, or if you're just doing whatever you do, just make sure you look after yourself
and be safe and be peaceful. And be happy, it's Christmas Day, and just, honour yourself with that. So, guys, I hope you have a really good one.
Thank you a lot.
And thank you for everything for this year. It's been an amazing year.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, and we'll see you all next year.
Next year, bright and early.
See you later.
See ya.
Give us a kiss. Shall we put this on again?
Yeah. Why not? Yeah.
I'm sure it's louder.
Yeah. I think I might have washed it accidentally. That's probably why.
Did you wash it?
I don't know. I
you
had a guess.
supposed to give it to me before. Did you wash it before you gave it to me?
No. I think I washed it accidentally when I took it and did the washing with it.